what you're doing here is you're really getting it into the clear coat, if there's any left. What's up, guys? I'm here with Coney, the safety truck. She ain't pretty, but she makes up for it by being really ugly. We got some plans for this thing, but we're not going to tell you what just yet. Let me show you a little bit about this. There was a hood scoop, drilled through the hood, not just taped. We've got some aftermarket crappy paint. Not bad. Pretty nice patina inside. Surprisingly, really nice. I'm not sure what those wires in the dash are, but we got a plan for that too. We back up, get a few shots here. We've got a nice pinstripe going right down the line. We've got a carpeted bed. We're missing an emblem there. We've got a plan for that. And we got some more nice paint right here. Stay with us, guys. We're going to walk you through the process and show you what we do. Hopefully you like it. So this truck, Coney here, has got some green grime. It came from Oregon. So those of you that aren't from the Oregon coast, everything is green, including your trucks. So let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to take all this stuff out. We've got all this green grime all in here, all around this, in here. We're going to take all of that out and get this thing all cleaned up. Let's get started. Remember, guys, always glove up for protection. Okay, so basically we're going to get this all soaked. We'll just take some degreaser. If you don't have any like commercial degreaser, simple green or something would do, we're going to coat this whole truck. And what that's going to do is that's going to eat the grime. I'm going to take this little brush. Remember, the paint's perfect on this, so we need to be precise. You're going to get in all these little nooks and crannies with your brush. See, like this stuff down here? You're going to take some elbow grease. It's going to take a lot of elbow grease. It's not wrong to let it sit there and kind of soak that up. If your brush isn't doing it, switch the bristle. Kind of work the edges. Man, that is thick. I moved to the desert a year and a half ago, and I haven't had to deal with this since. I almost forgot how it worked. If your brush doesn't do it, the pressure off it certainly will. All right, so we're gonna get some wheel acid on these wheels. We're gonna let that bake a little bit on there. while we wash the sides. Remember, this truck is pristine. We don't want to hurt it. You kind of shake it like this while you're washing it. What happens is you get nice and sudsy. I'm going to get this wet real quick. We're going to rinse off that wheel after. You always take some degreaser, go over your wheel acid, and what that does is it neutralizes it so it doesn't keep etching. Same thing here, you want to take it and kind of beat on it a little bit, make some suds go. And these, you really got to get into it. Same thing. What you're doing here is you're really getting it into the clear coat, if there's any left. And if your boss is around and you want to look busy, stand here like this. Kind of damp. They'll never know you're not working.
Hey guys, I'm sure you guys get the idea by now, so we're not going to bore you with the rest, but we'll get it all cleaned up and then we'll let you see how it is after it's done. Also, please don't hit your rig with your broomstick. He's just joking about that. Don't do that.
And just like that, we're done. Still ugly, but now it's not dirty and ugly. Check it out, guys. She's still ugly, but at least she's clean. Coney the Safety Truck. There's Ian. Take this, right? Put like 6 squirts.
Oh, jeez.
Is that how you do this?
I mean, I guess, you know, more can't hurt.